Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Anna. Today we are going to do some speaking practice. We are going to practice making free time plans. Making free time plans. What are plans? For example, we like to make plans with our friends. We might call our friend on the telephone and ask our friend to go do something with us. Maybe we ask our friend, do you want to go see a movie with me? Do you want to go fishing with me? Do you want to take a walk with me? So we make plans for something that we want to do. Here in the picture, we see an example of two women making plans. Let's read this example together. This woman on the left says, "Hi, Min, do you want to go bowling Saturday night?" And this woman says, "Sure, that sounds great. Let's go at 6 o'clock. They are making plans to do something fun together. So today we are going to look at some examples of making free time plans. Here is example number 1. We have a conversation with two men. Let's go ahead and read this together. If you see the numbers, this will help you to know the order of the conversation. It starts here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They are talking back and forth together. Let's go ahead and read this together. Hi, Luke. Are you free on Saturday morning? Yes, I am. Do you want to go fishing? Sure, that sounds great. What time? Let's go at 9:30. Okay, see you then. So they are making plans to go fishing on Saturday morning at 9:30. Here we should talk about this word. That sounds great. This means like, I think that's a good idea. That sounds great. That's a very good idea. Let's go. So that's what that means. Sure means like, okay, that's good. Let's look at another example. Here we have two women making plans. We'll start with number 1. Hi, Amanda. Are you free on Tuesday afternoon? Yes, I am. Do you want to go shopping? Sure, that sounds great. What time? Let's go at 1:30. Okay, see you then. These two women are making plans to go shopping on Tuesday afternoon at 1:30. Let's look at another example. We'll start here with number 1. Hi, Connie. Are you free on Thursday morning? No, I'm not. I have to work. How about Thursday evening? Yes, I am. Do you want to take a walk? Sure, that sounds great. What time? Let's go at 7 o'clock. Okay, see you then. So these two women are making plans to take a walk at 7 o'clock on Thursday evening. Here is a conversation with some words missing. Do you think you remember the missing words? Let's try to complete the conversation. So here it says, hi. We have to put a name here. Are you free on? I want you to try to finish. Yes, I am. Do you want to? Sure, that sounds great. And then what question does he need to ask? Let's go at what time? Okay, I want you to stop the video for a few minutes and see if you remember the missing words that go in the spaces. If you need to, you can go back and look at the examples again. Stop the video now to try by yourself. All right, let's check our answers. Here is an example. Remember that some of the information in your example might be a little different. Here I chose the name John for the man, but maybe you have a different name. So we'll go ahead and read my example together. Hi, John. Are you free on Sunday afternoon? Yes, I am. Do you want to go to the lake? Sure, that sounds great. What time? Let's go at 2 o'clock. Okay, I'll see you then. So if you wrote something similar for your example, then it is correct. We had to remember a name. What day do you want to make plans? What are you going to do? We have to ask the question, what time? And then we have to choose a time. And then we say, see you then. Like, see you later, see you on that day at that time. I want you to practice conversations like this with your friends and family. See if you can practice at home or on the telephone. If you need to, go back and watch the examples again. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great day.